Hey everyone, my house is a disaster, so I thought it would be a great time for some cleaning motivation. I hope this gives you the inspiration to get up, get moving, and get cleaning with me. So I started out by making a list. I don't know why, but it just makes me happy to be able to check off the boxes as I get things done. And I like to get the laundry started to get that out of the way since it takes the longest. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause and next is the bathroom. It's in the corner of the house where I like to start. But these are my favorite bathroom cleaning products. The Method Mint. I like the way it smells. I think it smells real clean and fresh in the bathroom. And this is my husband's sink, so it's pretty clean as you can tell. Not much to be done there. And this is my side. I let it get out of control. To us, on Saturday afternoon, I like to put all my makeup away, organized by category, so that way on Sunday it's like I can go shopping in my own little stash of makeup.
My given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. I swear I never thought it would matter if I'm gone by now. All my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on, but you got me good.
And this is how I have it organized. Foundation, concealer, primer in the first drawer. These are blushes, bronzers, and highlighters. And then in the last one I have eyeshadow palettes, mascara, and eyeliners.
If I'm gone by now, all my weakness keep on linger on repeat like it will be my favorite song. Oh, I know I should be moving on.
And on to the bedroom.
You like I pretend. Keep on driving and driving along the road tonight. Lost my head over my back between the jars and bottle jack. Just me and all the red lights. Keep on driving and driving.
I know I say it in every video, but I really wish I could move this fast. And I get to check stuff off my list. And the never-ending laundry always ends up on the treadmill.
I can't help myself from feeling all alone. But you got me good, or you got me good.
Here's the second bathroom getting done.
The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright.
My lazy dogs just didn't want to get up off the couch.
Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know
But this kitchen though,
endless. If it's only for now, I don't mind, 'cause I know that your love is endless. It might be over tomorrow, but this day will live on forever. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got this day forever.
and this is our snack drawer. everyone knows where the snacks are when they come over, so I try to keep it pretty well stocked.
I'll be in fools drifting to deep space, so brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you, you and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered.
And I finally broke out the Mrs. Meyer's Acorn Spice. I still think I like the apple cider vinegar a little bit better.
We were in too deep in your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever, driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep. Where did it begin? Where did it end? Hanging on loose strings, unable to bend. I never listened, trying to prove it, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you and me so clueless.
I really have no rhyme or reason to my mopping, but I'm getting it done.
Singing along to nothing matters, stray around like nighttime momos. We were in too deep.
And that's it, all done. Ready to relax and enjoy the rest of my weekend.